in this tutorial, I'm going to go over creating more like animated builds, combined animations with Easy Animator. Now this fun little effect here, I'm using the 3D alphabet that we have given you for free. It's in the member area. They are power vectors so that you can color them inside of Easy Animator to whatever you want. We've also got some symbols, so grab those. And so you can create something like this. And I'll show you how I did it in just a second, but just showing you the animation effect one more time. And this is something best done in a program like ScreenFlow or Camtasia or any layer-oriented Sony Vegas, where you can work with layers. And that's because you can overlap them. And unfortunately, Explainer doesn't support that right now. My understanding is that will be a version 3 feature. But for now, it's best if you do this in something like ScreenFlow, Camtasia, or whatever. So let me show you how I did it. It was very, very simple. Let's go into Easy Animator first. Looks like I've accidentally closed that. And so when I get that open, I can import any kind of, I've already got it set to the alphabet here. So if I was going to do the word bonus, I can just have the letter B there. And I very simply just, make my settings here. You can see how fast it is. Boom, I'm ready. It's ready to go. So I can just export this to MOV, and I just did that for all 5 letters. Have them on my desktop, and then I just drag them into ScreenFlow in this case. So now you can see that what I've done is I imported them and laid them on top of each other. It can be a little tricky to kind of space them out. The animations do take up the full screen, and that does help to, even though it's transparent around these areas, it does help to position it because it snaps to the stage, but it is a little tricky to move them around. I actually had to kind of move it off to the side to be able to select the other letters, but it's not too hard. And the cool thing is once you kind of get them arrayed so where they spell the word there, one of the things that you will probably want to do, what I've done here is just added a freeze frame. That's a function that's pretty common in most of these programs. In ScreenFlow, you just go here and you go to the end of the clip and you add freeze frame. I've already got it there, so I didn't want to do it. But that lets me just take basically it's a static image at that point, and I can extend it however I want. So one effect, right now, this is kind of doing a build effect where they're kind of appearing one after the other. A very simple variation, of course, is to just have them all animate at once. And so move that here. And when I do that, I've got now my all of my freeze frames at different lengths, but I can just set my the point there, or I don't know what the technical term for that is, but and I can just easily resize these to make them all last the same duration. And once I've got that, I have a different animated effect here. So let's go here, and they all appear at once. And so it's shorter and might have a little bit less of an impact that way, but it's definitely one way that you could do it. And this is something that we are working on for, again, version 2 of Easy Animator. But right now you can do it pretty quickly and easily inside of ScreenFlow or any layer-oriented video program. And After Effects, Final Cut Pro, I got the two mixed up, and so forth. So this is a very cool effect, and it's very quick and easy to do with Easy Animator, and it definitely augments your animation possibilities dramatically, and I can't wait for you to be able to do that in Easy Animator, just all built into that. So thanks a lot for checking this out. I hope you have a lot of fun with this effect.